So let's talk about how the affiliate program works. Now, AutoKept is the kind of app that anyone who files a tax return in any country in the world will use 1 to 3 to 5 times a day. And the first step is that you should actually become a customer of AutoKept, become a sponsor at $49 so you can see how the private labeling works, how it passes out to clients, and how they share it with others. That'll make you a champion of this. But our real purpose is to figure out how can we get you to $25,000 a month of residual income. Now, what you'll do is you'll present AutoKept to your list, and your list must have a list of their own. They've got to be people that have customer list in order to offer AutoKept as a sponsor, a private labeled sponsor. Once your list buys the app, then they turn around and give it away, 5,000 copies, to their clients or members, and they do that for free. So you don't want to offer AutoKept to someone like, let's say, a truck driver, because they don't have a list and they don't want one. But accountants have a list, and public speakers do, insurance agents, nonprofits and churches. Just about any business that has a customer list is the kind of person that you want to make sure they hear about AutoKept. Now, here's our business model. That sponsor pays $49 to $97 a month, and that gives them 5,000 licenses. So they should give this app away to everyone they can think about, and the app will get shared. So their list is going to grow. They may start with 100 people using the app, but over the next couple of years, they'll use those licenses up. And some of those people they give the app away to, now I'm talking about your sponsors, some of those people will actually pay your sponsor $10 or $20 a month for the advanced version, but your client, your sponsor, gets that money. You're simply getting half of the $49 to $97 a month. The back end belongs to your friends. Now, we handle all the sales calls and support. We take care of everything. We use Infusionsoft to track all the affiliate codes and commissions, and you'll get 50% of the billing of that $49 to $97 for 3 years. So that means $900 to $1,800 per sale, because once they start using it, they'll never drop. But it gets even better. At 500 sponsor sales, you'll receive 10,000 options for this startup, $1 options for the AutoKept startup. Now, there's only 10 million shares at capitalization, so we're not going to liquidate the value by giving away a bunch of shares and a bunch of options. Now, there are no guarantees that those options will ever be valuable, but we think that some larger company like H&R Block or Intuit may very well buy this startup anytime in the next 3 to 7 years. So how could all this pencil out? If you've got a list of 10,000 names in your list, over the next year, we should be able to get somewhere between 10 to 20% to buy the $49 sponsorship. Well, those 1,000 who do buy, let's use the lower number, are going to generate 50% of that gross revenue to you. So 1,000 sponsors at your share being $24.50 a month is almost $25,000. Plus, if you did get 1,000, that means you're going to get 20,000 $1 options to purchase into, to buy into this startup right before we sell out to a major acquisition. And that's locked, though, capped at 1.5 million options. Once we hit 1.5 million, the options goes away. So get your sales in quick and make sure that you're getting your share of the stock in this new startup. So the first step is to buy AutoKept at $49 and use it. Step number 2 is to send an email to me so that I can send you out the affiliate agreement, and then we can chat about how we could work together to get you to $25,000 a month. Thank you.